Hi, welcome to Harbor Compounding. My name is Michael Hua. I am your pharmacist in charge. Today we're going to look at directions in terms of how to use a vaginal applicator and the vaginal tube. If you receive this medication, you should receive a tube. Before you start, please read the directions on your tube. It'll have very specific directions in terms of how to use the medication. And you also receive a vaginal applicator accompanying it. This vaginal applicator is reusable. After your first use, you can wash it with soap and water and then let it air dry. So to start, this is a very simple device. It's just a tube. It will have your medication inside. There will be a seal on all the tubes prior to use. So the first time you use it, you will remove the seal. And as you notice, there is cream inside the tube. You will then open up your packaging to get your vaginal applicator. Each vaginal applicator will be demarcated with numbers to correspond to your proper dosing. Next step, you're gonna go ahead, put your applicator onto the tube. You want it to be snug, but you don't want it to be overly tight. That should be sufficient. The next part is you're going to want to squeeze the tube and cream will come up through the top. It will fill this part and it will let you know how much cream. So for our example, we're going to go to 1 gram of cream. So as I push, you will now see cream loaded into the vaginal applicator. You will then insert this vaginally in the diagram as shown. After use, again, this is reusable. You want to clean it, soap and water, let it air dry for the next use. You then want to cap this and store this properly. Before you start using and after you use the creams, make sure to wash your hands with soap and water. We want to keep a very cleanly environment. Some things you might not know, if you are using vaginal creams, most patients will apply and use this cream at bedtime just to avoid any possible daytime discharge. If you are going to use this in the daytime or if you are going to use this and not go to bed right away, we do recommend you using panty liner. Also, we also do not recommend you use tampons while you're on vaginal medications, as the medication could be absorbed by the tampon. Thank you so much for using Harbor Compounding. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call anytime.